Alright guys, MTech Guy here. Nice quick and easy video for you guys today. Now, it's been brought to my attention that there are a few E60 owners out there that are unaware of the process required to operate your headlamp washers. And to be fair, there's also a few owners out there that are unaware the car even has the option. So we'll just go through a quick run through what you need to do to operate your headlamp washers. Now first off, you need your ignition on or the car running, either or. Next step, we need to look at the headlamp switch here. Now you either want the headlamps switched on or on automatic, but it does need to be dark outside. The light sensor doesn't need to be reading that it's dark and the headlights are on, so we'll just try it with the headlamp switched on there. And then the next step, just pull on the wiper stalk here towards you and that'll operate the headlamp washers there. There we have it, easy as that. Now if you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more BMW content. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.